Welcome to the Explainer. So, you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, but you're picturing all this fancy equipment, right? Well, think again. Today, we're going to break down exactly how to launch your own channel from creation all the way to getting paid using nothing but the phone in your pocket.
All right, let's just jump right in. The answer to this is probably a big yes, otherwise you wouldn't be watching, right? So our goal today is simple, to take you from just thinking about it to actually doing it.
And we've boiled everything down for you. We've taken all the key steps from our source material and turned it into a super clear, actionable plan. Seriously, there's no fluff here. This is your 5-minute guide to getting started. You can literally follow along as we go and have your channel up and running. Okay, so here's the plan. First up, your YouTube starting point. Then we'll get into the fun stuff. Create your channel identity. After that, we'll tackle some essential backend settings. Then the big one, the path to monetization. And we'll wrap it all up with uploading and getting paid. All right, let's start at the very beginning, the crucial first step. And believe it or not, this step happens before you even open the YouTube app. It's all about your Google account. Okay, so here's the first big question. Should you use an old Gmail you already have or make a new one? And this is where we get a really fascinating insight. You might think, oh, I'll just use my current one, it's easier. But hold on, the advice is super clear. Make a brand new Gmail account. Why? Well, it seems the YouTube algorithm has a little soft spot for brand new channels with fresh accounts. It gives them a bit of a promotional push. It's a tiny thing that could seriously pay off. And the best part? Making this new account is so easy. You just pop open the Gmail app on your phone, tap Add Another Account, choose Google, and follow the steps. We're talking less than 2 minutes to get the perfect foundation set up. Seriously, it's that fast. Okay, part 2, create your channel identity. This is where we get into the fun stuff, naming and branding your channel. Your new Gmail is ready to go, so now it's time to decide who you're going to be on YouTube. So once you're in the YouTube app with that new account, creating the actual channel is literally 5 taps away. You switch to the new account, tap your profile pic, hit create a channel, pop in a picture, choose your name and handle, and boom, that's it. Your channel is officially a thing. It exists. Now, here is maybe the most important piece of advice for this whole section, and it's a big one. Before you get too attached to a channel name, please do yourself a favor and search for it on YouTube. If you see a verified channel, one with that little gray check mark that already has that name, you gotta pick a new one. Trust me on this. It'll save you so much headache later and makes it possible for you to get that check mark someday. Okay, section 3, essential backend settings. Your channel is live, which is awesome, but now we need to pop the hood and tweak a few things. It might sound a little technical, but it is so important for unlocking your channel's full potential. So to get to these advanced settings, you gotta know this little trick. The regular YouTube app won't cut it. You need to open up the Chrome browser on your phone, go to YouTube's website, and then this is the key part. Hit the menu and select Desktop Site. That'll load the full-blown YouTube Studio, giving you all the power, right there on your phone. Once you're in, you're gonna look for the settings icon, and inside there, we're really just focused on 3 key areas for now. First, basic info. That's where you'll tell YouTube your country and add some keywords about your channel. Second, advanced settings, which is mostly just telling YouTube whether or not your videos are made for kids. And third, and this one's super important, feature eligibility. Okay, so feature eligibility is all about unlocking stuff. There are 3 levels. Standard is what you get right away. Intermediate is the next step, and you unlock it by verifying your phone number. This is a must-do because it lets you upload custom thumbnails. And finally, advanced features. You'll need to verify with a quick video of yourself, an ID, or just by building up some channel history. You absolutely have to get this done if you ever want to apply for monetization. All right, let's talk about the big one. Section 4, the path to monetization. This is the goal for a lot of us, right? So let's get super clear on what you actually need to do to get into the YouTube Partner Program and start earning some cash. So YouTube actually gives you 2 different ways to qualify, and you only have to hit one of these goals. Path number 1 is for long-form videos. For that, you need 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Path number 2 is for YouTube Shorts. For that, you need 10 million views in the last 90 days. So you can pick your lane or do both. But did you notice the one thing that's the same for both paths? 1,000 subscribers. That's the magic number. It doesn't matter if you're making long videos or shorts, you have to build that community and get to 1,000 subscribers. That's the one requirement you can't get around. Okay, we're on to our final section, uploading and getting paid. Let's bring this all home. You've got the channel, you know what the goals are. Now, what about uploading that very first video? And then, how do you actually get that first paycheck? So, when you upload, you want people to actually find your video, right? Here's a super simple but really powerful trick. Go to the YouTube search bar and just start typing in your video's topic. See those suggestions that pop up? Those are the exact things people are searching for. Grab the top one for your title and then sprinkle the next few into your description. It's like free SEO advice directly from YouTube. And then, the moment you've been waiting for. Once you're approved to make money, the payment process is pretty straightforward. It's a few verification steps. You'll link up a Google AdSense account, prove who you are with an ID, and then they'll actually mail a PIN code to your house to verify your address. Once that's done, you add your bank info, and that's it. AdSense sends out payments around the 21st of every month. And that's it. That's the whole playbook. We've gone from creating a brand new Gmail account all the way to how you'll get your first paycheck. Every single step is right there. So your channel is officially ready to go, which leaves just one final exciting question.
हाय गाइस, हमारा चैनल टेक्निकल हामिद 173 बहुत ही कमाल का और ज़बरदस्त सा टॉपिक लेके आया हूँ। ठीक है ना, हमने इसी साल के अंदर जो है अपने चैनल को बनाना है। 2026 के अंदर बना के उसके ऊपर वीडियो अपलोड करनी है और बहुत सारी वीडियो अपलोड करनी है। ठीक है ना, 2026 के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा हमने वीडियो अपलोड करनी है और इसी चैनल को हमने मोनेटाइज भी करवाना है। ठीक है, 2026 के अंदर हमने वीडियो भी बनानी है और चैनल मोनेटाइज भी करना है। ठीक है, तो बहुत ही इजी सा तरीकाकार है कि हम जितनी ज़्यादा यूट्यूब चैनल के ऊपर वीडियो अपलोड करते जाएंगे ना गाइस, एक दिन आएगा कि हमारा चैनल जल्दी से ग्रो हो जाएगा। कोई एक वीडियो हमारी वायरल हो जाती है, 50 वीडियो होना अगर अपलोड की हैं तो 30 वीडियो के ऊपर यूट्यूब खुद ही आपके चैनल को प्रमोट करता है। ठीक है, जब तक आपकी चैनल के ऊपर 30 वीडियो नहीं है, उससे पहले आपका चैनल बहुत ही स्लो चलता है और 30 वीडियो के ऊपर कोई ना कोई वीडियो आपकी वायरल हो जाती है। ठीक है, तो बहुत ही ईज़ी सा तरीक़ाकार है। आप 2-2 मिनट या 4 मिनट की वीडियो अपलोड करते रहें। ठीक है ना, जैसे ही आपकी 30 वीडियो होंगी तो उसके बाद आप अपने चैनल को देखना कितनी जल्दी वो ग्रो होगा और उसके ऊपर कितनी स्पीड के साथ व्यूज़ आना स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे। ठीक है, तो सेम हमने इसी तरीके से काम करना है। चैनल आपने न्यू बना लेना है। आपके पास मोबाइल होगा तो मोबाइल के अंदर भी आप चैनल को बना सकते हैं। ठीक है, उसके ऊपर हमने वीडियो अपलोड करनी शुरू कर देनी। ठीक है, तो बहुत सारी हम जैसे वीडियो अपलोड करते जाएंगे ना, एक दिन आएगा कि आपका चैनल भी ग्रो होगा। ठीक है, तो आपने वीडियो अपलोड करनी है। कोई इशू है तो आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं हमें, और हमारे चैनल पे नए हैं तो हमारे चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर लें। ठीक है, तो आपकी हेल्प भी हम करेंगे। तो बहुत ही ईजी सा तरीक़ाकार है कि हमने डेली के हिसाब से वीडियो अपलोड करनी है। तो 2 वीडियो तो आप हर रोज़ अपलोड कर सकते हैं। ठीक है ना, एक सुबह एक शाम, या एक दिन को भी 3 वीडियो भी अपलोड कर सकते हैं। 30 वीडियो हमने पूरी करनी है, जिस तरीके से मर्ज़ी करें। तो ये काम हम जैसे करेंगे तो फिर हमने यूट्यूब चैनल को 4000 घंटे वॉच टाइम और 1 के सब्सक्राइबर पूरे करने होते हैं, फिर यूट्यूब के लिए अप्लाई करना होता है, फिर हमारा चैनल मोनेटाइज हो जाता है। तो हमारे चैनल पे नए हैं तो हमारा चैनल टेक्निकल हामिद 173 को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करना। ठीक है, कमेंट लाजमी करना। मिलते हैं। आपने चैनल यूट्यूब के ऊपर न्यू चैनल बनाना है, चाहे आप शॉर्ट का बना रहे हैं लॉन्ग का। मेरे हिसाब से लॉन्ग का बहुत बेहतर होता है, शॉर्ट का ना बनाए, उसके ऊपर अर्निंग बहुत ही ना होने के बराबर होती। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो।